So what is big, black, rectangular, and you look at it all the time? It's one of these. A new Samsung 4K TV! Hi everyone, welcome to IoT Exotic Tech. Today's episode I'm going to be unboxing another brand new TV. This is the Samsung UE49RU8000U, a 49-inch 4K HDR HLG TV from Samsung. So it's going to replace that one by there. This isn't my TV. I'm not rich enough to buy 3 TVs in 1 year. This is my housemate's TV. That's a 55-inch Full HD TV, and this is obviously a 4K one. So let's get the scissors and let's see what we get inside the box. We'll set it up for you and have a look what the picture quality is like. Okay, so I've got rid of the chair and I've got the scissors. So this TV then is the UE49RU8000, which, if you can remember from my previous video when I bought my Samsung TV, is the next model up. So this one's a little bit better than the one I bought. My TV, as you probably remember, is a 50-inch. This is the 49-inch model. There we go. So according to the specs on Samsung's website, this has obviously the UHD processor, if you're an American. Apparently it has the 2 remote controls as well. This TV has all the HDRs. You've got normal HDR, HDR10 plus, and of course HLG. So what do we have? This is the remotes. Oh, there we go. So same remote control as my one. So it's got like the premium one. Oh, actually it's not. This is black. Oh, there we go. 2 remote controls, the energy efficiency. If you're wondering, this is just an A. Apparently this has, it sucks up like 145 watts of electricity. I'll check those over there in a minute. Got the little setup guide. So this model has the feet on either end. And don't worry, I got a tape measure out so I can measure it as well. There's the instructions. There's 1 leg. And there's 2 leg, and now I'm legless. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out the box, get rid of that TV, put the new TV up, and then we'll show you how the what the menus are like and how we set it up. Okay, back in a moment. So the legs on this TV are 91 centimeters apart, or 36 inches. And the total depth of them is 24 centimeters, or 9.5 inches. Top tip, if you haven't got a table big enough, just use the empty box. So I thought I'd show you this little bit before we get to what happens when you plug in the TV. As you can see from the video here, the color shift on this TV is practically non-existent. It is really good viewing angles from every single angle. So up, down, left, right, there's practically no color shift, which is brilliant for a TV of this price. So I thought I'd show you what the picture looks like with just a white item on the screen and a pure black background. So obviously my camcorder does pick it up quite well. If you turn obviously the exposure down, that looks brilliant. But I thought, to be fair, I'll just leave the exposure set at normal so you can see what the light bleed looks like from the background of the TV. And to be fair, it's not that bad. What do you guys think? So here we go then. This is what happens when you plug in any brand new Samsung TV. It goes through all the setup, asks you to set a pin number, select your inputs, tune in your FreeSat or your Freeview or your satellite channels. It does go on quite a little bit, so I've left it at normal speed so you can see exactly what menu options that you do get. Obviously we don't have on this TV a aerial plugged in or a satellite cable plugged in, so you are able to skip these options. So there you go, that has been the unboxing and the setup of the Samsung UE49RU8000U 49-inch 4K HDR TV. So don't forget everyone, please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below if you've recently bought one of these TVs or a similar size TV of the Samsung 8000 series. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much once again for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.